A lot of athletes, especially in their growing years, complain about knee pain when they're running. And there's a lot of potentially different reasons why that could be. We want to go over a couple that might be preventable and easily detectable so you can figure out for your kids or your players how to help them get past that. So today, I just want to make sure that we understand that structural problems within the knee, exercise won't fix that. Growth-related problems, exercise won't fix that. And overuse injuries, exercise won't fix that. Those three things require a medical solution or require a break from training. But sometimes there's structural pieces that are fixable, such as knees collapsing inwards when we're running or jumping. So what that means, when I go onto one leg, if my knee collapses to the inside, it puts a lot of pressure on the inside of my knee. So for a runner who experiences pain on the inside of their knees, these exercises that I'll show you in a minute might be the case. So how do you know if you're one of those people? Well, you can do a simple single leg jump straight out, have your coach or your parents watch you, and just jump out as far as you can. If my knee collapses inwards as I try to jump as far as I can, I'm probably prone to doing that when I sprint too. I could also take video of myself while I'm sprinting, and if I have a front view, I can determine if my knees are collapsing inwards or if my foot's rotating outwards, putting that pressure on the knee as I sprint. So if that might be you, here's two exercises that can help with that. We want to strengthen the inside and the outside of the hip and the inner thigh muscles. So the first drill I'll show you, side lying adductor raise, is to strengthen the inside of your leg. This is a little harder than it probably looks. So your top leg will come up maybe 2 feet. Your bottom knee will come up to touch your top knee. You hold it for a second and then come back down. Flip to the other side, and maybe a set of 8, 10, 12 would be perfect there. Second is for the outside of your hip. So now here we'll be up in a side plank position, and you're gonna keep this bottom hip up, and you're gonna raise your top foot a couple feet, hold it for a second, and come back down. Same thing, 8, 10, 12 reps on each side. The second one is working your hip, but it's also working your core, trying to help keep everything in place laterally to prevent that inner knee pain and hopefully take away problems when you're sprinting.